Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who's looking to build a business online, but doesn't want to show your face or deal with the hassle of personal branding, you're in for a treat today. I'm diving into a system called Faceless Business Empire that promises to help you create an online business without ever having to step in front of a camera or create any personal content. I know many of you want to make money online, but the thought of being on camera just isn't appealing, so this review is for you. So, what exactly is Faceless Business Empire? Well, it's a training program and set of resources designed to help you create a faceless business. What I mean by faceless is that you can build a business, generate income, and promote products without having to show your face, use your voice, or even get on camera. It's perfect for those who are introverted or just don't want to go the traditional route of personal branding and content creation that requires a lot of face time with the camera. From my experience, the system covers a variety of methods for setting up your business. This includes affiliate marketing, creating automated content, and running profitable online ads. One of the most intriguing things about this program is that it offers a blueprint to use simple tools and strategies that don't require an extensive skill set or any technical expertise. If you're looking for an easy way to get started, Faceless Business Empire really helps remove a lot of the usual obstacles that would stand in your way. What I found really cool about this program is how they break down the process into simple steps. They guide you through setting up your affiliate marketing funnels, using email marketing, and even generating automated content that doesn't require you to show up on camera. So, if you're wondering how you can make money online without the usual pressure of creating a YouTube channel or doing Instagram stories, this could be your answer. Another thing I like about Faceless Business Empire is how accessible the training is. The modules are broken down in a way that's easy to digest, even for beginners. You don't need a ton of experience with digital marketing or online business to start using it. The creators of the program understand that you don't want to spend months learning every single detail, so they keep things simple and to the point. Now, let's talk about the tools that come with the system. Faceless Business Empire provides you with a range of resources that are designed to help you automate a lot of the work. Whether you're using their recommended platforms for affiliate marketing or automation tools, they make sure you're covered. But here's the thing, this isn't a magic solution. You'll still have to put in some work up front to get everything set up and running. However, once it's going, the system helps you generate passive income with minimal maintenance, which is what a lot of people are looking for. The training also focuses on the long-term scalability of the business. It's not just about making a quick buck, but building something sustainable that can grow over time. They touch on how to optimize your processes, fine-tune your content, and scale up your ads. This helps you increase your reach and revenue while keeping the whole thing automated. As you grow, the system shows you how to build on the foundations you've already established. But let's not sugarcoat things. While the program is great, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you're expecting to make thousands overnight with no effort, you might be disappointed. Like any business, it requires time and consistent effort, especially in the beginning when you're setting everything up. If you're willing to put in the work and follow through, Faceless Business Empire can definitely pay off in the long run. One of the best features of the system is the community and support network. You're not left to figure everything out on your own. There are plenty of resources to help you when you get stuck, including a private community of like-minded individuals. This is a big deal because getting feedback from others who are in the same boat can really help you move forward. In terms of the overall cost, Faceless Business Empire is priced reasonably for what it offers. It's not overly expensive, especially when you compare it to hiring a business coach or spending months learning everything on your own. There is a significant value in the training, tools, and support that come with the program. If you're on the fence about whether Faceless Business Empire is right for you, I'd say it's a solid option if you're looking to build an online business without showing your face. It's perfect for introverts or anyone who just wants to keep things private. Plus, it offers a proven way to generate passive income with minimal effort once you've set everything up. The system makes it easy to start small and scale up as you go. So, if you're ready to take the plunge into a faceless business and want to make money online without the personal branding hustle, I definitely recommend checking out Faceless Business Empire. Just keep in mind that success won't happen overnight. But with persistence, the system can help you build a profitable online business. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you think a faceless business is right for you? If you've tried it, I'd love to hear your experiences.